Good morning, it's double cup sleeve day! Today Serena and I are each going to be vending at 2 different cup sleeves, and we thought, wouldn't it be fun if we made a little competition to see who can make the most sales and money? So you're going to be at a Park Gym and birthday cup sleeve, and I'll be at an AT's anniversary cup sleeve. So we've got our competing tables, our competing merchandise, and we're going to see who can do the best. So follow along.
Who's going to do the best, Merlin? Me, because he's licking me.
All right, we will check back in when we are at the cup sleeve.
Okay. Bye. Serena Cam. Hi. I'm about to head out to the gym and cup sleeve. I got everything I need in the back, I think. I hope. Hope I didn't forget anything. So we're going to head out. Hopefully we'll get there on time and everything will go well. I'm very nervous. We made it to the boba. Now the competition begins. Actually, first to set everything up. Oh my god.
It's Kira Cam time. All right, I'm here. I just arrived at the location. I'm gonna run in and figure out where I'm going, and then I'll start unloading. I unfortunately had to park really far from the entrance, so okay, let's run in and check it out. I'm gonna get total 82. So we'll have to check in with Serena and see how she's doing.
Quick bathroom update since I'm too freaking shy to do it out there. So far I've sold some gym and face art journal, 2 bookmarks, a trinket tray, another journal, I think. Maybe? Something like that. Yeah, I think, I don't know, it's a really tight race right now between me and Kira.
My favorite song. Just sold a CD and hit $100. Alright, I've been keeping track. This is my side and this is Serena's side. So, she's catching up to me. Got some album donations.
Just passed Taylor, so we're doing good. So as far as I know, I passed her at least. I texted her to pass me, so we're gonna win.
Well, Serena officially passed me. We've been keeping track, and she pulled ahead by $13. So I better make some sales here.
Update number 2, we've passed $100 and we've passed Kira so far. Except for the piggies.
Yum yum.
Yeah, he's not a regular.
We started at noon and this goes till 4 or 5. And Serena's pulled way ahead. I gotta make some sales. I'm like $30 behind.
And just like that, we're all done. That was a great event. I love gymming, of course, so gym and cup sleeves is like everything to me. Yeah, so I guess now all that's left is to drive home, unpack and repack everything because it's a little bit crazy right now, and tally up the totals and see how we did. Okay, it's time to total up the numbers.
We just wrote down all of our sales because we have PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, and cash.
Yes.
So now I've added
it was
up.
chaotic.
I had one big sale of 46 all to one person.
That's good. Amazing.
So that's 105 to me.
Ah! That's good. That's better than we made last time. First time we vended.
No, we made 150 the first time.
Oh, we did? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I forgot.
The total is 175. All right, we're back, and the winner is Serena. Why do you think you sold more?
Jimin.
Because it's Jimin. Yeah, the event I was at was really, really busy for the first 2 hours. In fact, about 15 minutes before it was supposed to start, it was busy. And then it was like pretty slow for the last 2 hours. Maybe a bunch of regulars and then like not many other people.
Mine was kind of steady. It would get really busy for a minute, and then for about an hour or so, obviously slow. And then busy again, and then slow, and then busy again, and then, yeah. But everyone was super awesome and nice, and I got so many compliments on our stuff.
Oh, good.
They loved, everything we made. Everyone thought it was a really good idea, and they loved your cards.
Thank you.
They loved it all.
Good.
It was good. Yeah. So I'm really excited to do it again next weekend.
Yes. So we'll be at another one. How are you going to reward yourself by winning? What are you going to spend your profits on as a reward?
I might have already spent the profits on something.
What'd you buy? Oh yeah, you may have bought something while you were there.
Okay. So I got this really, really amazing bag from Moonflower Co. She's the one who invited us to this event, Jimin event.
She's the host.
She hosted it, and she hosted the first event we went to too.
Yes.
Yes, and she makes amazing stuff, amazing bags, and I just can't resist. So yes, I love it so much. So
there's your prize for winning.
Yes.
All right, well that's the end of today's video. I'm Kira.
And I'm Serena.
And we are
Fantastical Costumery.
Now to go have some dinner, unpack our boxes, and love our kitchen.
Bye.
Bye. Boop the camera. Boop.